Hi, welcome back. So today we are going to be looking at this thing right here. It's just an LED light. Recently I've been noticing that it has been the advertisement for this item has been popping up in AliExpress, Shopee, Lazada, and so I went ahead and ordered one from AliExpress. This is part of their 3 items for $1.98, I think. Yeah, you get 3 items for $2. So this is one of the items that I ordered. So let's just unbox it and see what is so good about this thing. So what's inside? We get USB charging cable. Ooh, USB-C, fancy. USB-C for light. Come on now, isn't that too advanced or something? I don't know. So we have a manual here, how to operate this thing. Claims to have a 500 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, I guess so. And then what else do we have in the manual? Nothing much. It's just an LED light anyway, so how complicated can it be? I don't know. So it has this bubble wrap all around it. So there you go. Let's put the other things on the side. So this is how it looks like. We have this kind of a carabiner thing here, and this supposedly can open bottles. Open the cap on the bottle, on your beer bottle. We have a magnetic thing here. Maybe you can stick it to something. Maybe you are doing fixing on your car and you just stick it there. The magnet is not so strong, but should be sufficient enough. Yeah, sufficient. What do we have on the side? On the side is the charging port, USB-C. What is that thing here? I don't know what that is, but never mind. And we have the button here to turn on, and we have a kickstand here. There you go. So let's just try to turn it on, see how bright it is. Oh, there you go. That's how bright it is. You press it once, it just lights up like this. You press it another time, it turns off. Okay, press it once, press it again. Oh, okay, you adjust the intensity, it will adjust the brightness. Okay, press it again. Oh, it's strobe. Okay, you press it again, it turns off. So that's it. One click is light, another click you adjust the brightness, another click you get strobe, another click turns off. So yeah, it works. It's not bad. It's quite bright. Yeah. Let's see what it's made from. Let's try to... Yeah, this part here is metal or aluminium, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it can probably open a beer bottle or anything with a, with a cap. So not bad. If you are looking for something like this, yeah, why not? It's cheap anyways. Yeah, definitely recommend it. So that's it. That's all for today. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.